Limiting our household's risk to COVID-19 has increased our storage and use of certain products, which may be harmful when misused. Disinfectants such as bleach, rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and hand sanitizers, though used increasingly to protect against the novel coronavirus COVID-19, can cause poisoning. So too the misuse of medication, dish soap and laundry detergent, toilet and drain cleaners, polishes and waxes, all-purpose cleaners, insect sprays as well as shampoos and conditioners, nail polish and nail polish removers, makeup and lotions. Once you've used sanitizers such as bleach, store in a cupboard with a lock. If items are discarded in the bin, take out the garbage promptly as fumes may build. Children should always be supervised when using soap and hand sanitizers. If you've used cleaners to sanitize children's toys, be sure to let them air dry before they are returned, and keep cleansers in their original bottles, not in food containers. Never mix household cleaners as they can cause noxious fumes. When using certain chemicals such as bleach, turn on the fan. Open doors and windows to aerate the area. And be sure to wear gloves, long-sleeve shirts, long pants, socks and shoes when using certain chemicals such as pesticides. Improper use of prescription and over-the-counter medication, multivitamins and other pharmaceuticals could result in organ damage or death. It's especially important to properly store these and other potentially harmful substances away from children's reach. Store medication in a chest. Don't share prescription medication. Never take more than the recommended dose of medication. Before administering medication, properly read labels. Store medication in its original container, and be sure to dispose unused and expired prescription drugs. A member of your household may be suffering from poisoning if he or she has burns or redness around the mouth and lips or along the hands and legs, smells of chemicals, has difficulty breathing, nausea, diarrhea or vomiting, is experiencing drowsiness or confusion, dizziness, blurred vision or headache, as well as rapid heart rate or low blood pressure. If you see these symptoms, call the police 119 numbers or the Caribbean Poison Information Network at 876-537-5564. When you make contact, be sure to have the age and sex of the person, the poison taken, and the symptoms the person is exhibiting. While you wait for help to arrive, here are some tips you can use. If the poison has been ingested, remove anything that's still in the victim's mouth. Don't induce vomiting or give the victim a drink or food unless told to do so by emergency responders. For eyes which have come in contact with poison, open and close eyes while rinsing with low-pressure water for at least 15 minutes. Victims of inhaled poison should be taken to get fresh air immediately. And those who've been exposed to poisoning on the skin, remove contaminated clothing and rinse skin for at least 15 minutes. We know these are trying times, and with children being at home throughout the day, their curious nature is increased and they go exploring. That's why it's important that as a family, we are extremely vigilant in ensuring our children are properly supervised and cleaners and medicine are stored out of their reach.